Hello guys, so we have got some doubts in our Discord channel, so we would like to clear it in the video because many of you guys can have the same doubt. So the doubt was posted from our fellow Zaradros. He was saying that, so I quoted. So I was working on the same circuit with 10 LEDs, 10 220 ohm resistors, and the connector, but I forgot what packages we had selected that day. Can you please tell me what were they? Okay, so he's referring to the sessions of the E-Labs PCB Fundamentals which we had on the last Saturday. You can find the video on the I button somewhere right here. Okay, so let's see what we built that day. So this was a schematic of that project. This was a simple 9 LEDs in a parallel with connected to each resistors, and the cathode of each LED is connected with each other and connected to the 10th pin of the jumper. Okay, so this was the PCB layout and this was the 3D visualizer. Everyone has got somewhere more like the same result. So let's jump into the part where he faced the top. So in the let's see what part we have selected. The devices. First one we have selected this LED. Okay, the LED, when we selected that day, the LED which is right here, and the PCB was not there for any of you guys except me, just because the LED, I am working on this LED in the previous in my project, so I have overwritten the PCB preview of it, so it's showing for me my case and none of your cases. So from now on, if you are selecting this LED like this, only LED device, generic light emitting diode in bracket LED, that's where you can find this PCB preview, but in none of the other THD LEDs. Okay, not in this one, not in this one, no, neither in this one, but only in this one, because I have overwritten it, and same as you guys did. The next we used is the resistor. Okay, so this is the register we used. Cool. And the third one is a 10 pin male header, which we can find it very easily if we search 2663 in the keyboard, and we have to find 10 pin. Yeah, right, this. It came with its own PCB preview, so we didn't need to add the PCB package of it. So let's go into the how did we add the PCB package. Just click on the component which is whose LED PC package is not added. Right click on it, packaging tool. As you can see, we have added the package. So I'm explaining it once again. Go into the Let's go and add. What we are going to add the LED. Okay, here's the LED. We press OK. We assign A to A, K to K, and then assign package. Wherever are we assigning? It's the devices. Look very close. It's devices here. Okay, and when we save packages, we are overwriting it all. And if we see search for LED in the device library, we find it the PCB preview. Cool. But in the case of resistor, what we did when we are adding in the packaging tool, we add the package of res40, we mark the pin 1 to 1, 2 to 2, and in assign package we added to the library of resistors. That's what we did. Okay, but here resistor, we can find it is from different library. We took the resistor from this library, but we added it to this library with the PCB package of RIS-40. RIS-40 depicts the distance between the both the THD poles of this bipolar component. Bipolar, sorry, there's two legs of this component, but with the hole between the two legs where we can fix it. So it is 0.4 inch. If we use RIS 60, it will be 0.6 inch and so on. What packages are there like that? This is the main thing where you guys can find it a very hard time to figure it out what we have done and what is going on. Okay, so I think I have cleared many of the doubts of Zorodros. The one thing which I would like to mention here is he was working with 10 LEDs and this specific jumper or mail header to be specific, but I would like to just rectify him that if you are using 10 LEDs, you need one extra pin for the ground connection. So it will be better if you search 266, 2663 here and select an 11 pin which comes with its own PCB package, so you don't need to add it, and good luck for your next PCB projects. This is Shivam Chanda signing off, and guys, keep learning.